Excuse me, open. Sesame!
Wow!
Cellphone, maybe laptop.
This video is not
Or what?
sponsored for any products.
My God.
And then, and here. Here. Ooh. What? You.
Wow!
This one. Ooh, interesting. Ta-da! 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 What's that? Ta-da! Ah, the charger. Charger. Ooh, look at that. Wow.
Oh my God.
Nice. And this one.
Look at this. The strap, it's color dark blue and it's very comfortable for diving. Now let's go to put today's watch, this strap to the dive watch to connect it. I don't know how it is work. We must be careful.
Wow, easy. Tuk. You just listen that tuk. Other side. Just let me put this one. Like that. Okay, let's see. Wow. Where we can start. Here, starting. Charging. What? Apple Watch. You see the charger. Charger. Like that. That's a charger. This. Low battery. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Tanawa na. Gwapa kayo no. Liwat na ko. Gwapa kayo ba? Sama na uy. Di ko kay kamay. I love it.